Ambassador of Australia to Nepal, CEO of Hunter Motorcycle Group, Mr. NAMNIK, distinguished guests, our friends from the press, ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome you all this evening in the presence of His Excellency Mr. Peter Bird, Ambassador of Australia to Nepal, for the grand launching of Hunter Motorcycle. We know that there are lots of bikes in town with their own significance. Our bikes are world-class spare parts which will be widely available all over the country very soon. We'll soon announce our dealers all over the country to give you all the access to reach out the product, sales and service. We are all well aware the Hunter Motorcycle is world-class motorcycle company from Australia. And this Aussie beast of the road has been brought you here in Nepal exclusively by Rai Motors. I'd like to draw your attention towards the tagline that brought to the Nepalese market. Once again, I would like to welcome you all for this gathering and stay with till late. Enjoy your informal gathering. Thank you.
Namaste. Welcome. Mr. Budd, thank you for joining us. The media, thank you for coming along. Our customers, especially our customers that have bought new Hunter motorcycles, thank you for being here. And everybody else, thanks for joining us. As I flew into Nepal yesterday, looking out the plane window, I was greeted by an endless view of mountain ranges. Valleys that swept down with farmland contoured into it. And in the distance, the Himalayas with the snow-capped mountains. And it hit me there on the plane that you people are blessed to live in what is possibly one of the most spectacular landscapes in the entire world. And I thank you for welcoming me to your country and to enjoy that beautiful landscape. It's been a massive year for Hunter Motorcycles. We've had our 10th anniversary this year. We've launched in Indonesia and now we launch in Nepal. When doing international business, it comes with significant challenges. We have a language barrier for a start. We have different currencies. We have different government regulations. But we also have different customs and different culture. And it's that point that, for me, is the most important to tap into, because unless we understand our customers and our customer base, what your needs, wants and desires are, we can't possibly give you what you want. And not only our customers' needs, but when we're dealing with business partners, we need to have respect for the culture and an understanding of that. Otherwise we can't get to know them as people, as human beings. And without understanding somebody and getting to know them, you can't trust them. And trust is the cornerstone of a good business relationship. And I'm happy to say that Rai Motors, who we've chosen to be the exclusive importer for Hunter motorcycles in Nepal, not only do I trust these guys, but I like them. They're good dudes. The trust is a two-way street. They need to trust me, I need to trust them. And at the end of the day, we're both trying to achieve the same goal. We want to bring premium quality bikes to the Nepalese market. We want to bring the coolest motorcycles to the Nepalese market. We want to bring them at an affordable price. And we also recognise that we need to have after-sales and backup service to match that wonderful product. So when you're buying a Hunter motorcycle, you're not just buying a lump of steel with two wheels on it that'll get you from A to B. What you're buying is part of a community. And I welcome the Nepalese people to become part of the Hunter Motorcycles community. Thank you.
Oh, look, thanks so much for inviting me, Ben, Niraj. I like these good news stories, and I think what we have here tonight in terms of just a collaboration between an Australian company and a Nepal company to deliver a quality product to Nepal. It excites me very much, and it's part of a growing partnership that Australia's enjoyed with Nepal. There are now 20,000 Nepali students in Australia at one time, and there's about 90,000 Nepalis, or Nepali origin, living in Australia. So there's a huge community there, and this is just a further plank in building those strong people-to-people links and our investment and trade links as well. So I congratulate both of you on delivering this. I'm really excited to actually see what's underneath these cloths here, because I've had a look at the product range, and they are a very nice looking bike. In fact, I know I'm probably going to go home tonight and I'm going to talk to my wife and say, I just saw a really nice looking bike. And yes, I'll see if I can convince her to allow me to get one. So look, really that's all I want to say, that I'm just very pleased at this initiative. I'm very excited to see an Australian company product soon to be driving the streets of Kathmandu and further afield, and as Ben said, just the natural beauty of Nepal just adds to the romance of these machines here. So look, thanks again for inviting me along, and best of luck with the collaboration. Cheers.
Well, I would like to request His Excellency to hand over this key to the bike owner. Also, I would like to call upon Mr. Jayant Ranjit. Also, I would like to call upon Mr. Deepak Pun. Last but never the least, I would also like to call upon Mr. Ravi Karki. Congratulations to all the bike owners. You're going to be framed. Thank you, His Excellency, but I would like to request you to stay back, but you still have to do one more job for us, and that is, you've been saying that you're curious to see that what's wrapped underneath these clothes. So it's time now. I would like to request our Chief Guest, along with our CEO and the Chairman, to join His Excellency to always hot and chilly. Okay, here is the bike. Oh, it looks... The yellow goes next. Showered with the confettis, His Excellency. There goes the third bike. There's one more on the extreme right. Wow. I think this should be one group photo with all of you in front of the bike. Or any bike you can choose, His Excellency, I guess. Your choice, let's see. If you have to get one of these bikes out of these 5, which one would you choose? Alright? Okay, so let's have a group photo. 675, that's actually, you're not paying for the bike, it's just you're paying for your lifestyle actually. So with this, we have come to an end of this, the grand launching of these beautiful bikes here for Nepal, and congratulations Rai Motors for owning this ownership. And in coming days, I'm sure we're going to see a lot of these bikes on the streets of Nepal. Thank you so much. Thank you all the friends from press, everyone, all the distinguished guests, our chief guest, Mr. CEO and the chairman. Thank you all of you, and please join us for the rest of the evening and enjoy your evening and be with us. Thank you very much.
त्यस्तो अपराध चाहिँ नगर्नु।